Moving on to UGAZ, natural gas. Natural gas was somewhat boring today, somewhat interesting just because it is showing a propensity to bounce off this channel. I'm really happy that I bought quite a bit of UGAZ down here and added quite a bit more as it ran up today. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. So we see that yesterday I charted our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We broke down, setting our A, our B, and our final C down here. Right away you can see a change in volume from red to starting to turn green pretty significantly. What's interesting is my prediction yesterday for us to fall here with the blue arrow, and then I expected us to bounce back up, came true. I expected it to fall to this horizontal line marking this shoulder over here, this previous low over here. I thought that this was where it was going to bounce towards, but it actually fell lower and went off our previous resistance line here, and it rode that for a little bit, and then it just shot up and exploded higher. Had a stop limit buy set right here, and got in and rode most of this trade, and I actually had another limit buy down here after this pullback, and where it retested this previous resistance line. Resistance becomes support, and we definitely saw that today in UGAZ. Let's see, let's go down to the smaller time frame for UGAZ. I'm going to delete these lines since they're old now. That was just a prediction. If you like harmonics, you can definitely see a nice harmonic play out here. It came all the way up here. So this is what I'm talking about whenever I draw these. I think I've only drawn 1 or 2 of them before, but this is what I see here. And I usually see it when it makes this sharp move lower, and you can kind of draw this harmonic. Usually you like to have 1.68 and 1.78 here. Pretty dang close. I didn't draw this. I didn't trade based off of this. It's just something that you can see after the day's trading action is over with. It's pretty hard to catch these while the trade is going on, while the price action is moving. But if you can, and it starts to make this move up, you can be pretty sure that it's gonna, it's just one of those nice handy things to have in your tool belt. I'm gonna go ahead and delete that because I think it clogs up my chart a little bit. However, we set in our ABC. Now, what do we do here? We're gonna draw our Elliott wave. We've got a 1, 2, 3, 4. Now where's 5 going to come? I bet it's going to come all the way up here and test this horizontal resistance point from the previous high. So let's go ahead and draw this idea that we have here on the chart and see if it plays out all right in the coming days. Lastly, let's go ahead and draw this Fibonacci line. All right, so it looks like it came all the way down, 61.8, and 61.8 retracement correlates to a 121.4 or a 138.2, and look at that, 138.2 lines up pretty well with our horizontal line here. So that's what I'm expecting to on Monday for UGAZ. Let's move on to UWT. Going back to natural gas, UGAZ, I found this really interesting thing today while just looking at the chart, looking at the long-term chart, and UNG is a different product, but it's basically UGAZ unlevered. But basically last year, 2016, March, April, May, we see that it's making the exact same pattern almost to a T. We have this long wave down, this wave up. We have this long wave down, this wave up. We have a retracement and up again, retracement, up again, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then a big fall, big fall. We're up here, and then we just set in a bunch of small, movements here. You see this over here on the right side, which is the past 2 months of trading, and it's followed by this huge spike up. And I think that I'm currently bullish on UGAZ and natural gas in general. I don't think that this is just a happenstance. I don't think anything in trading is happenstance, but I think that this, the symmetry here is undeniable. And I'll be very interested to see if this plays out, and hopefully I'll come check back in on this in future videos. Going on.